Okay, finally, let's have a look at the File menu. The File menu is located in the top left of Excel here. And if we click it, it gives us a lot of additional information that we may not see otherwise. So for example, it tells us information about a workbook. If we had saved it, it will tell us a file size, it will give us a title. We can also type information here, and it would also tell us other information like who the author is, when it was last modified, and so on and so forth. It also allows us to have attached security options by setting a password for this workbook. And if you click here, you'll see a lot of different options that we won't go through here. You can also see recent files. You can also create new workbooks, including templates that you can get from Microsoft Office Online by searching here, and some templates that you may already have downloaded to your system. You can also save and send the file by email, save it as a PDF, print it, send it as an internet fax, and other things. But what's interesting is there's also a options button. If we click this, it brings up this box, and it gives us a sneak peek at the workings behind Excel. So it helps us to set a different font, standard default font, what the size might be, the default views, and so on and so forth. And also, it also allows us to set how many sheets Excel should open with. So you can see it tells us when I hover over this that Excel can have a maximum of 255 sheets in one workbook. Normally, you should not have more than that. If you do, then it's probably not a good idea, and Excel will run very slowly. It also allows us to set a lot of other options. I won't go through all of these here, but what's quite nice is actually you can just set what Excel looks like overall. So I don't like the silver look that Excel has. There's different options. You can have it as blue. I personally prefer this black version here. So if I click OK, you'll see that my Excel is got now a black tint around the border. And I just find this easier to work with and easier on the eyes when you're typing and you're looking through a lot of data.